What's up? I'm back with yet another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a neat trick you can do on Zoom. So you probably heard of the thing where you film a video of yourself to make it seem like you're in class or whatever, but what happens if you need to talk? So as far as I can tell, nobody really figured this out until me, and I'm not really sure why. But since I'm the first to do this, I thought I would share it with all of you. Okay, so step one, I filmed this video of myself and I put that as my background. And this is basically what most people would do. So they've got this video. Just let this play. But I mean, this looks pretty real. But I don't get why people don't just take this next step here, which is to re-enter the video yourself with that as your background and then record another video of you moving your mouth right here. So, okay, let's take a look at what we got here. So now in the complete video, we have two of me, one talking and one not. So what you're gonna do is when you have nothing to say, you just cover up the talking one with your own head. So this looks pretty natural here, I think. And then when you have something to say, you can just move over here and lip sync along with the video. So yeah, one thing that's important to remember here is that you should be keeping your mouth out of frame so that you can, so this looks like your mouth. So yeah, this is the amazing trick I discovered. I just have to ask, like, why aren't more people doing this one? It just seems, I don't know, I just stumbled across it really. I guess it's kind of like a deep fake, but it looks less fake because it's, you know, actually you talking. So yeah, I guess the next thing I did was I tried to expand this system. So what I actually did was hold on here. Yes, here we go. Okay, so I actually made this series of expressions, which is basically all the possible emotions that I could go through. And I combined them into this grid. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set this green screen to be my face. And that way, when I need to make a certain expression, I can just, you know, see if I can get this working. One sec here. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang, it's going down the drain. Your career is in ruins. Okay, yes, I've gotten there. So now, if I need to look sob-sterly, I can simply go here and then say I want to look a bit surprised. Well, there you have it. I'll give you a tour of all the expressions here. Very happy. Here is the speaking one. Let's find one here. Don't know who this guy is lurking in there, but nevertheless. So yeah, anyway, as you can see here, this is a humongous time saver. I mean, I don't know why I haven't been doing this my whole life. It's basically how I interact with people all the time now. I don't think I could go a day without this exact system. So yeah, that's it for today.
Be sure to give a like and a thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you try this out, be sure to let me know in the comments how it went. Thanks for watching.